Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a perpetual, passive, life-changing income that you can start for 100% free and begin today. Set this thing up one time and be done with it and make a life-changing income for yourself. If this sounds like something you're interested in, well, you want to stick around and watch this whole video because we're about to get started on it here. But first of all, for those of you that are new to my channel, and if this is your first time, I need you to reach down there below the video. Click on that subscribe button and don't forget to click the little notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos that I upload of these money-making methods that I regularly upload on this channel, so that you can come and take immediate advantage of the videos once they're uploaded. All right, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this. The site we're going to be talking about here today is this site right here, guys. It's Udemy. You see it right here on the side. It's Udemy, and up here in the address bar, you can see it right here. It's Udemy.com, Udemy.com. Now, some of you may be familiar with this site, and some of you may not be familiar with this site. In fact, I'm going to show you how you can set up a perpetual income here on this site, and it's going to require one thing from you: your talent or your knowledge about whatever it is that you know. You can set it up here on this site, and stick around because there's two ways that you're going to be able to double your income probably off of this site, or at least supplement to it from what we set up here today. All right, so what Udemy is, for those of you that are new and don't know, Udemy is a course site. People can come here to this site and learn about anything they want to. I mean, it's under, if we click on categories right here, guys, you see where my mouse is here, look, it just doesn't matter. It's anything and everything to do with all kinds of different niches and the sub niches underneath all of this stuff, guys, in finance and accounting, business, office productivity, personal development, design. I mean, look at these subcategories here, guys. It's just amazing. And then marketing and lifestyle, and there's all kinds of arts and crafts, and look, subcategories: photography, video, health and fitness, music, teaching, and academics. I mean, guys, whatever it is, people can come here and learn about whatever it is they want to learn about, because there is courses that people have put up here on this site to teach people how to do various things like you see listed right here on this particular site. You may be thinking, well, who are the people that are teaching these courses? Are these highly educated, college educated people? Well, maybe, but mostly probably not. They're just ordinary people like you and me who know something or have a talent and want to be able to share it with others so that they can learn, because everybody has something that they can learn from someone else. Okay, there's no excuse for not being able to teach somebody something, because everybody knows something, and then people are here coming to this site looking for what you may know, and you can teach them. What we're talking about here today, guys, is you're going to set up an account on this site. Well, what you're going to do here first is you want to come here and you want to click on the sign up right here. Guys, this is 100% free, and you should be able to access this from anywhere in the world, I believe. I think if I click right here, you can see that all the different languages that they offer right here is about 18 different languages here. So this is available pretty much everywhere in the world. So what you want to do is click on sign up right here. You can create a local account here, and they will send you an email confirmation if you do it this way, or you can fill out this, or you can come down here and simply click login right here, guys. And you can see right here that you can go on ahead and just log in with your Facebook account, with your Google account, and with your Apple ID account, or your local one that you created on the other page. So I'm going to go ahead and get signed in with my Google account here, guys. All right, and you can see I'm signed in right up here at the right. You can do is, for example, let's just give you an idea of how much money people are making here on this. Let's just say, for example, if I typed in something to do with computers here, guys, and we press enter, and it loads up, well, 3,000 and some results for anything to do with computers. And you can see that all of these courses down through here, you can literally find out whatever it is you want to know about computers. I mean, it's all here, from programming to building computers to everything to do with computers. Now, that's just an example. You can do this with anything you want. But for example, let's just click right here on this one right here, the basic computer basics right here. And you can see right here, guys, that this person that set this course up right here he's got 50,027 students who've purchased this course at the $11.99. Now, they've got an 11-hour sale going on right here, guys, as you can see, for 40% off right here where my mouse is. But the regular price is $19.99. So let's just say, for example, he's got 50,000 students right now, and who have enrolled at, let's just say, the $19.99. They may not have enrolled at the 11. They could have, I'm not sure. But I'll tell you what, let's just take, and we're going to do some gazintas here, and take a look at the amount of money that this person has made just from this course. Computer Basics 2021, Basic Computer Skills and Fundamentals. Basic hardware, I mean, it's just a basic course on how to understand computers, right? Well, so if we take the 50,027 and we multiply that by the original price of $19.99, assuming that it's always like that for the most part and not the sale price all the time, because it says there's 11 hours left at that particular price. But let's just take the $19.99. So if we multiply that by 19.99, right, and click it, guys, that's well, you can see it right there, guys. That's $1 million. This person has made $1 million, and the last time it was updated was in July of this month. So we don't know how long this course has been on this site, but he's got that many students that are enrolled right now saying at that price. And guys, that's $1 million he's made right off of this course. He's done this course one time. He's loaded it up or set it up on this site one time, and then maybe once in a while come back and update and make some changes if need be or whatnot, and so on and so forth. And that's the end of it. Set it, forget it, and it's a perpetual. What does perpetual mean? Perpetual means ongoing, continuous, constantly, always going on, because it's on this site. It'll be there forever, and this person will always make money off of this course. That's what I want you to do. You have knowledge about something. So now you may be saying, well, Kevin, I don't know how to create a course. I've never done that. I do have something that I could teach somebody. Maybe you have something to do with, you're a mechanic with cars. You're good with cars. Maybe you're good with some sort of sports or something. It can be anything to do with anything that you're good at. You can make a course about it and put it right here on this site. Now, you may be saying, well, I don't know how to create a course. I need some help with that, okay? What you want to do is right here where you see my mouse is right here, guys. Click on Instructor right here, and you can see that you can jump right into your course creation right here. And if you need to learn a little bit more about how to create a course, they have all kinds of help right here that you can do it with right here. And then if you look right here, they have a test video that you can get expert feedback on. The instructor community here, guys, that you can ask questions from experienced instructors on this site and get answers. They have a teaching center. You can learn the best practices for teaching. Marketplace insights, validate your course topic by exploring our marketplace of supply and demand, and all help and support. And then you just simply click right here and begin to create your course after you've done a little research on how to do it. If you have questions, it's all your help is right here, guys. So you can click on here to create your course, and it'll bring you over here. You can just click right here to create a course. It's going to walk you through about 4 steps, it says right here, guys, step 1 through 4 on creating your course and getting your course up on this site in whatever you know, whatever knowledge it is that you have that you want to share. And you set your price to your course. So if we come back here, and you can see that this person here has done this too, and he's running Windows 10, a computer basics. You can do this too, and you can sort of look at other people of how they've set theirs up here too, and it'll walk you through the same type of thing, and so on and so forth. And you can add requirements to it, Microsoft 10 internet access, of course, for this course, and then write a little bit about it, about what you're going to be teaching, and so on and so forth, the description of it. And then if you come down, you can even offer a preview, a 5-minute preview video, and all these are just video courses, guys. You're showing this in videos, and if you want, you can use OBS software or any kind of, Camtasia or any kind of video software to do this with, and you do not have to show your face if you don't want to. You can do behind the screen, and they'll just hear your voice while you're teaching whatever it is you want to teach them right on the screen on your computer. And you can do that. And guys, you can set your course up on this site just like anybody else has done here and make a perpetual, ongoing, passive income for yourself. Now that's the main way right there. The other way is if we scroll all the way to the bottom of the page on this site, and you come over here and you come under the this middle column right here. You see right here where it says affiliate, guys, right? Click on that. This is the second way that you can about supplement or maybe even double your income. The thing about it is you can become an affiliate partner and promote a product that creates new possibilities for people anywhere. You can promote any course on this site that you want to out there on the market. You can, of course, you can do it on Facebook groups. I mean, just use your imagination, guys. I've shown enough free ways to market affiliate links in plenty of my videos on this site. If you need to, go back and check out some of my other videos about what have to do with affiliate marketing. I'll show you, most of mine are free. They're not paid. There are free ways to market affiliate links. And you can market your own course. And when people signs up to your course, you're going to make a portion of that money as well as the money from your course that they pay you as well. Alrighty, so that's like 2 ways that you can work here and make money on this site. The main way being getting up your talent and your knowledge on this site so that people can come and take part in whatever it is that you have that they're looking for, and you can make a life-changing income right here on Udemy, guys. Guys, that's the video method I had for you today. It's a great way to create a perpetual passive, set it up once and you're done, life-changing income right here on Udemy. Guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell. And if you have any comments about this video or anything, just leave them down below in the comment section there, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my free video presentation that'll teach you the formula for how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to reach down there below your video in the top of my description there. Click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and see what's available for you there. That'll teach you how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer in affiliate marketing starting today too. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, come over and take action on this particular method here, and you can create yourself with your knowledge and your talents, whatever you want, and make money with it right here on this site and make big life-changing money. Alrighty, guys. Guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making method. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye, man.